Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reading and Writing Filling the Blank Real Exam Question Series. This is 24th video in this series, which means that we have already discussed 23 highly repetitive and real exam questions. उनको solve कैसे करना है, क्या tips और tricks हो सकती हैं, क्या strategies हो सकती हैं उनको solve करने की, so that you are able to learn them and you can correct your reading. First things first, you know that now for UK, PTE is accepted. So if you want to study in UK, you can achieve your dream through PTE. And 90% of Canadian universities accept PTE now. And if you are looking for spouse visa, you can get it through PTE Home because that is accepted for family visa in UK now. My name is Bharat and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills. And in this video series, we discuss the hacks, the tips and the strategies so that you can achieve your target score, whether it's 79 plus, 65 plus or 58 plus. And the first attempt, because we at Marvel PTE, हम नहीं चाहते कि आप multiple times paper में अपना money, energy and resources waste करें. It's better you learn the tips, tricks and strategies and then go for your paper. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. PT reading is of 32 to 41 minutes and there are 5 question types. And the first question type we are going to discuss it, which is reading and writing, filling the blanks. And this is the real PT reading scoring where you can see the reading module just contributes 47 marks. 47 में से भी 22 marks are of reading and writing filling the blanks and 22 marks goes to writing. इसीलिए these are very important चाहे आपका टारगेट स्कोर 58 प्लस हो या 65 प्लस हो 79 प्लस है तब तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा important हो जाते हैं आपके लिए. And without strategies, without tips, you are not able to crack them based on a big data analysis because time management आपको करनी होती है reading में or you can just spend 3 minutes on solving one question of reading and writing filling the blank. So इसमें 3 minutes में क्या आपको सारे words पढ़ने हैं, सभी words का meaning understand करना है? The answer is no. You have to do the skimming and we teach our students, in institute students or online students how to do skimming. This is today's topic. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to skim through this and then we are going to discuss this. Okay, so the first thing you know that we skim it for understanding the gist, the tone, positive hai, negative hai, neutral hai, या academic tone hai, along with that usage of tenses, कि past tense use हो रहा है, present tense use हो रहा है. So let's get started with the skimming. The rest of the restaurant is student run. So we are talking about some restaurant. Okay. Students in quantity, food production and service management, something make the articulate and detailed dishes. We teach where the product comes from and to respect that product. Gami said skeptics might doubt something of a student run restaurant, but one visit to tailors will immediately change their outlook. Dishes like butternut squash and duck bistro chicken will please any appetite while imparting the need to return for a second taste. Students are taught to use ratios and proportions rather than recipes while creating dishes. Understanding ratios when creating makes students think and actually teaches them how to cook rather than just reading and not learning from it. Gami said he believes in using all aspects of the product which tailors something reflect. Okay. So this is about a restaurant, which is its pronunciation is restaurant, right? And which is more or less run by the students. And उसमें students ही बनाते हैं. They said that वो ratios of proportion use करते हैं, extended recipe नहीं use करते कि 250 grams आप पोटैटो लीजिए, उसमें 5 ग्राम सॉल्ट डालिए. They do not teach you in that way. They teach you that if you're taking 1 kg, so how much salt you have to use, ratio और proportion बताते हैं. And then they have a very good type of gourmet food or fine dining, because articulate something means very detailed. Like जैसे gourmet food होता है, detailed dishes हैं. More or less it's like fine dining, जो students को समझाई जाती है how they can cook a gourmet or a high quality food. अब skeptics क्या होते हैं? Doubtful people, जो किसी पे doubt करते हैं, that are known as skeptic. Okay, so the pronunciation for this word, because it's quite important, is restaurant. Always remember that. And now you have an idea कि students की बात हो रही है, students run कर रहे हैं, gourmet food बना रहे हैं, fine dining के लिए रेस्टोरेंट हैं, और सारे aspects प्रोडक्ट के ले रही हैं. मीन्स अब जैसे कोकोनट है, कोकोनट का इनर शेल भी यूज करते हैं, कोकोनट वाटर भी यूज करते हैं, राइट. और उसके बाद जो व्हाइट मीट होता है कोकोनट का, वो भी यूज करते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ दे यूज ऑल द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट. So now let's see the first blank. Ab our strategy to fill the blanks is we read 4-5 words before the blank and 4-5 words after the blank. So students in quantity food production and service management something make the articulate and detailed dishes. Now we have this option, and now we are going to use the process of elimination, which is our best friend forever. In that we eliminate the wrong options and we just give the right option. So यहाँ पे issues, okay, service management issues. तो issues होंगे, वो dishes बनाएंगे. The answer is no. अब यहाँ पे handling, service management handling doesn't make sense. Okay, सर्विस मैनेजमेंट क्लासेस, यस इट मेक्स सेंस बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स हैं, क्लासेस अटेंड कर रहे होंगे. सो जो कोर्स अटेंड कर रहे हैं, क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं, वो स्टूडेंट्स मींस जो क्वांटिटी फूड प्रोडक्शन की क्लासेस अटेंड कर रहे हैं या सर्विस मैनेजमेंट की क्लासेस अटेंड कर रहे हैं, दे आर गोइंग टू मेक दोज डिशेस. अब डिसीजंस सेम वे में डिसीजंस नहीं होंगे बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो क्या वो डिसीजंस ले रहे हैं सर्विस मैनेजमेंट डिसीजंस? द आंसर इज नो. So we are going to choose classes and moving on to the next plan. And this is going to be solved on your vocab. And if you do not understand the meaning of any word, do not worry. I'm going to tell you all the meanings and then you can note it down so that see these words anytime in future in your PTE, child reading ho, speaking ho, listening ho, you know the spellings, you know their meaning. Skeptics, matlab doubtful people, right? Skeptics might doubt the something of a student run restaurant. अब सेंसिटिविटी क्या होता है? इट्स लाइक प्योरिटी. जैसे हम रिलीजन से एसोसिएट करते हैं, राइट, जैसे टेम्पल से एसोसिएट करते हैं, तो क्या रेस्टोरेंट के साथ आपकी सेंटिटी एसोसिएट हो सकती है? द आंसर इज नो, राइट. अब क्वालिटी एसोसिएट हो सकती है स्टूडेंट रन रेस्टोरेंट के साथ? द आंसर इज यस. अब फ्रेलिटी क्या होती है? फ्रेलिटी मीन्स वीकनेस, राइट. क्या वीकनेस एसोसिएट हो सकती है? डाउट द वीकनेस ऑफ? नो, दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू डाउट द वीकनेस, बट दे आर गोइंग टू डाउट द स्ट्रेंथ. अगर आप स्ट्रेंथ होता वी वुड हैव सीन. फ्रेलिटी कैन नॉट बी द राइट आंसर. फ्यूटिलिटी, फ्यूटिलिटी क्या होता है? जिसे फ्यूटाइल कहते हैं, यूजफुलनेस नहीं है वो चीज की, ठीक है. एफर्ट करना फ्यूटाइल है, एफर्ट करना यूजलेस है. फ्यूटिलिटी मीन्स यूजलेसनेस. तो सिर्फ आपके पास एक ही ऑप्शन बचता है, विच इज quality, and you can fill this easily. They doubt the quality of a student run restaurant. Okay, now let's see the last blank. अब आप कोई सारे words skip कर सकते हो. We are going to simply see this last line. Game said he believes in using all aspects of a product which tailors something reflect. Tailor क्या है? Restaurant का name, right? You know that this is the name of a restaurant. So अब यहाँ पे course आएगा, opinion आएगा, mirror आएगा या menu आएगा. We are going to solve this on the basis of vocab as well as our process of elimination. So let's see what the right answer will be. अब Taylor's course, क्या restaurant course करा रहा है? The answer is no. The restaurant is not teaching us any course. So that's why यहाँ पे eliminate हो जाता है. अब रेस्टोरेंट का ओपिनियन हो सकता है जो बता रहा है रेस्टोरेंट. यहाँ पे ओपिनियन थोड़ी देगा. मिरर, मिरर क्या होता है? डुप्लीकेट. या आप नॉर्मल मिरर लगा के चलिए, रेस्टोरेंट के मिरर पे लिखा हुआ है कि वी आर यूजिंग ऑल द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट. द आंसर इज नो. The only option which is left is menu or recipe. It makes contextual sense that restaurant का menu reflect करता है that they are using all aspects of a product. So I hope this was quite an easy one and आपको समझ आया है how to solve them on the basis of vocab. Let's see if all the answers are correct. Yes, all the answers are correct. And always remember the strategy which you can use to solve your reading and writing fill in the blanks is on the basis of context, lexical resource, and grammar. So on context, you had seen the importance of skimming, forward reading, backward reading, and tone. These are our other strategies. For lexical resource, you need to know the collocations. We have a detailed document of collocations which we provide to our students, and then we teach them phrasal verbs as well as vocabulary. जैसे आज मैंने आपको fertility का meaning बताया, futile का meaning बताया. Fertility means weakness, futile means uselessness. So we are trying to improve your vocab also. And grammar, we have a complete grammar course where we teach our students parts of speech, subject-verb agreement, prepositions, modals, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, British English rules, and sentences. And always remember you have 2.5 to 3 minutes. In first 30 to 60 seconds, you are going to skim the content. In the next 90 to 120 seconds, we are going to look for clues. You can find pointers or use process of elimination to find your answer. And the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. What's the proof? The scorecards you can see in the ticker below. And these are some of our recent success stories. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. You can WhatsApp us if you want to take institute coaching or online coaching. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos which can help you to achieve your target score in reading, listening, IELTS, PTE regularly. We give wings to your dreams.